Afghanistan Squad for Asia Cup 2025 Preliminary. The video title suggests it outlines the Afghanistan squad for the upcoming Asia Cup 2025. Here's what reliable sources confirm. 22-member preliminary squad announced by the Afghanistan Cricket Board, ACB, around early August 2025, including a mix of experienced names and emerging talent. Rashid Khan named T20I captain, with Rahmanullah Gurbaz as vice-captain. Key squad members include wicketkeeper Rahmanullah Gurbaz, batsmen, all-rounders Sadiqullah Atal, Ibrahim Zadran, Mohammad Ishaq, Darwish Rasuli, Mohammad Nabi, Karim Janat, Nangyal Kharoti, Sharafuddin Ashraf, Azmatullah Omarzai, Gulbadin Naib, Abdullah Ahmadzai bowlers, Mujib Zadran, A.M. Ghazanfar, Noor Ahmad, Fazal Haq Faruqi, Naveen ul Haq, Naeen ul Haq, Farid Malik, Salim Safi, Bashir Ahmad. The team prepared via a 2-week training camp in the UAE, followed by participation in a T20I tri-series against Pakistan and UAE before